Technology has always evolved at a breakneck pace. From the first computers to the rise of the internet, each innovation has reshaped our world. Today, the smartphone reigns supreme. Yet, even as smartphones become increasingly sophisticated, their limitations are becoming apparent. The future of technology lies not in isolated devices, but in interconnected ecosystems that seamlessly blend the physical and digital realms. This is where the visions of tech luminaries like Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, and Sam Altman come into play. They offer glimpses into a future where smartphones might be superseded by even more transformative technologies. The question is not if smartphones will become obsolete, but when and how. Will it be the rise of brain-computer interfaces championed by Musk, or will Zuckerberg's vision of a fully immersive metaverse prevail? Perhaps Altman's prediction of AI-powered wearables will prove most accurate. Each of these technologies holds the potential to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur behind Tesla and SpaceX, has long been fascinated by the potential of brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. His company, Neuralink, is at the forefront of research in this field. Musk envisions a future where BCIs allow us to interact with computers and other devices using only our thoughts. This technology could have profound implications for everything from communication and entertainment to healthcare and education. Imagine a world where you can control your smartphone, computer, or even a prosthetic limb with the power of your mind. This is the future that Musk believes BCIs will unlock. By bypassing the limitations of physical interfaces, BCIs could enhance our cognitive abilities, improve our health, and ultimately blur the line between human and machine. However, the ethical and societal implications of such a profound technological leap must be carefully considered. Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO of Meta, formerly known as Facebook, has staked his company's future on the metaverse. This immersive virtual reality world is envisioned as a persistent, shared digital space where people can interact with each other, work, play, and even create new experiences. Zuckerberg believes that the metaverse will eventually supersede the smartphone as our primary means of digital interaction. In the metaverse, we could attend virtual meetings, explore distant lands, or even learn new skills without ever leaving our homes. This technology has the potential to break down geographical barriers, foster global collaboration, and create entirely new forms of entertainment and social interaction. However, concerns remain about privacy, security, and the potential for addiction in such a fully immersive digital environment. Section 4. The Rise of AI, Altman's Vision of Intelligent Augmentation. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, believes that artificial intelligence will play a transformative role in our future. He envisions a world where AI-powered wearables and other devices enhance our cognitive abilities, automate tasks, and provide us with personalized insights and recommendations. These devices could become indispensable tools, augmenting our intelligence and helping us navigate the complexities of an increasingly data-driven world. Imagine having instant access to a vast storehouse of knowledge, the ability to translate languages in real time, or even personalized health monitoring and recommendations. Altman's vision of AI augmentation suggests a future where technology empowers us to be more efficient, more informed, and ultimately more human. However, the ethical implications of relying on AI for decision-making and the potential impact on employment must be carefully considered. Section 5. Apple's Counterpoint, the enduring allure of the smartphone. While Musk, Zuckerberg, and Altman envision a future beyond smartphones, Tim Cook, the CEO of Apple, believes that the smartphone will continue to evolve and remain central to our lives. Apple's strategy focuses on refining the smartphone experience, integrating new technologies like augmented reality and artificial intelligence, and creating a seamless ecosystem of devices and services. Cook argues that the smartphone's portability, versatility, and ease of use make it an enduring platform. He envisions a future where smartphones become even more powerful, intuitive, and integrated into our daily lives. Apple's commitment to privacy, security, and user experience positions the company to continue innovating within the smartphone paradigm. However, only time will tell if this strategy will be enough to compete with the disruptive potential of BCIs, the metaverse, and AI-powered wearables. The future of technology is uncertain, but one thing is clear: the next decade will witness a fascinating battle for the future of our digital lives.